The future isn't coming, it's already here. From AI robots that walk, talk, and think to brain-controlled devices that let paralyzed patients move again, 2026 is bringing inventions that sound impossible but are becoming reality. Flying cars, holographic assistants, robots that feel touch, technology that reads your mind. These aren't concepts. They're operational. They're shipping. They're changing everything. This is your look at 18 impossible inventions reshaping our world right now. 18. Brain-computer interfaces go mainstream. Neuralink implanted its first chip in a human in early 2024. That person now controls a computer cursor just by thinking. Not through voice commands. Not through hand gestures. Through thought alone. Companies like Synchron and Precision Neuroscience are developing less invasive devices restoring mobility and communication for people with paralysis. In clinical trials, stroke patients have used BCIs to regain control of limbs or send messages through pure thought. We're no longer in the lab. This technology is in human bodies right now. The implications are staggering. If you can control a cursor with your mind today, what can you control tomorrow? 17. Humanoid robots enter the workforce. Figure AI partnered with BMW to deploy its bipedal robot Figaro 1 in automotive manufacturing. Agility Robotics Digit is handling logistics in Amazon warehouses. Tesla's Optimus is folding laundry and sorting parts in factories. These robots walk, lift, and perform repetitive tasks with enough dexterity to be useful. What changed? They're becoming cheap enough to scale. Some models will cost less than a small car by 2026. Spirit AI's Moxie 1 features 26 degrees of freedom and force-controlled actuators for smooth, human-like movements. Its vision-language action model integrates visual perception, language understanding, and action planning. It can understand spoken instructions, interpret surroundings, and execute complex multi-step tasks like organizing spaces or handling delicate objects. 16. Generative AI becomes the default. In 2026, most content you consume will have been touched, if not created, by generative AI. OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic are pushing large multimodal models like GPT-5 and Gemini Ultra, handling text, images, video, and audio in single conversations. Adobe Firefly and Runway ML power commercial video editing. 11 Labs clones voices and generates speech in seconds. This isn't a trend. It's a fundamental shift in how content gets made. Whether writing articles, producing podcasts, or creating marketing materials, AI is now part of the process. 15. AI agents that work autonomously. AI agents aren't just responding to prompts anymore. They're handling full tasks from start to finish. Devon, an AI software engineer from Cognition Labs, can build a full website, debug code, and deploy it live all autonomously. AutoGPT chains tasks together, plan an itinerary, book reservations, send you a summary. In companies, these agents onboard employees, manage data, and respond to clients automatically. You're no longer just chatting with AI, you're delegating to it. 14. AR glasses replace screens. Apple's Vision Pro opened the door. Now Meta, Xreal, and Samsung are developing lightweight glasses with real-time overlays. Live captions. Navigation arrows. Translated subtitles floating in front of you. The Xreal 1S delivers full HD resolution per eye with a 52-degree field of view and a virtual screen that feels 500 inches wide. With 120 Hz refresh rate and ultra-low latency, content stays stable in 3D space as you move your head. By 2026, you won't need to pull out your phone to reply to texts or check directions. With AI handling context, these glasses know what information you need before you ask. 13. Wearables that predict illness. Wearables aren't step counters anymore. They're 24/7 health monitors tracking stress, blood oxygen, and early illness. The Withings Body Scan 2 goes beyond traditional smart scales, capturing physiological signals to build a deeper picture of overall wellness. Using multiple built-in electrodes and advanced sensing, it gathers data on heart function, vascular health, metabolism, and body composition in one short session. New models add blood sugar tracking without finger pricks. Movano is developing continuous blood pressure wearables. Some smart rings detect changes in skin temperature before you get sick. These devices feed data to AI that gives personalized nudges, not just numbers. 12. Edge AI chips eliminate the cloud. The next phone or laptop you buy will have an AI chip built in. Edge AI means real-time processing right on your device. No cloud. No lag. Apple's A17 Pro and M4 chips handle language translation, image editing, and voice recognition instantly. Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite brings that firepower to Windows laptops. Intel's Meteor Lake chips include neural processing units running AI tasks with almost no power drain. Every device you own is becoming its own brain. 11. Quantum computing nears utility. Quantum computing has always sounded like sci-fi. 2026 might be the year it shows up in real workflows. IBM hit 1,000 qubits in 2023 and plans to debut a 1,386 qubit chip this year. They're developing error-corrected systems, getting closer to simulating molecules for new drugs or optimizing supply chains way faster than classical computers. Google, IonQ, and Rigetti are in the race too. It's still early, but the demos are getting real, and the pace is quickening. 10. Flying cars move toward production. The Aero HT868 is a hybrid long-range flying car prototype combining vertical takeoff with airplane-style cruising. Its tilt-rotor hybrid powertrain lets it take off like a helicopter and cruise like a plane, reaching speeds over 360 km/h with range exceeding 500 km. Seating up to 6 passengers, the A868 targets long-distance urban and regional travel, offering flexibility beyond short-range electric VTOLs. By eliminating runway dependence, it could connect cities, business centers, and airports faster than ground transport. Currently in test flights, Aero HT is preparing production lines for high-volume assembly. This vehicle could transform personal and regional air mobility in the near future. 9. AI-powered home assistants with bodies. Smart speakers used to just play music. Now they're walking around. The SwitchBot or Nero H1 moves beyond single-purpose machines toward a truly versatile household assistant. Designed with a mobile wheeled base, it's equipped with articulated arms and hands that interact physically with everyday objects. This enables picking up items, organizing spaces, pressing switches, or assisting with routine household activities. Powered by advanced AI perception, the Onero H1 recognizes objects, understands depth, and responds to surroundings with precision. Its intelligence improves over time, learning from daily use and coordinating with other devices in the SwitchBot ecosystem. 8. Holographic AI companions. Razer Project Ava introduces a fully animated 3D holographic companion. Instead of appearing on a screen, Ava projects a lifelike 5.5-inch hologram that responds with eye tracking, facial expressions, and lip sync. This AI acts as a personal assistant managing schedules, analyzing data, brainstorming ideas, coaching through tasks, and providing real-time gaming strategies. With contextual awareness from cameras and microphones, Ava adapts to what's happening on your desk and in your environment. Users pick from various avatars, each with unique personalities tailored to productivity, creativity, or entertainment. Project Ava demonstrates how holographic AI could bring immersive, interactive, personalized assistance to work and play. 7. Robots that climb stairs and obstacles. The Roborock Saros rover introduces a completely new approach to home cleaning by reimagining how robot vacuums move through living spaces. Built with a unique wheel hybrid design, this machine can lift its body, balance itself, and navigate areas once impossible for robotic cleaners. Instead of being limited to flat floors, the Saros rover handles stairs, thresholds, and uneven surfaces, operating across multiple levels of a home. Intelligent sensors and 3D spatial mapping help the robot understand surroundings in real time, enabling smooth movement and precise cleaning paths. This mobility breakthrough removes traditional barriers that forced users to block off areas or manually relocate their robot vacuum. 6. Expandable space habitats. Max Space's Thunderbird station presents a bold new vision for how humans could live and work in orbit. Designed as an expandable space habitat, Thunderbird launches in compact form, then expands in space to create a large pressurized environment. This approach reduces launch complexity while dramatically increasing usable interior volume once deployed. The station supports long-duration missions, scientific research, commercial manufacturing, and private space activities. Its interior layout is flexible, allowing spaces to be reconfigured for experiments, crew living, or specialized tasks as mission needs change. Large windows and private crew areas improve comfort and mental well-being in orbit. Thunderbird represents a shift toward commercially operated space infrastructure, offering an alternative to traditional government-led stations. 5. Samsung's 130-inch micro-LED TV. Samsung revealed a groundbreaking display at CES 2026 with the launch of its massive 130-inch micro-LED television. This display uses microscopic red, green, and blue LEDs to deliver extremely precise color control, producing rich tones, deep contrast, and an expansive visual range that feels closer to real life than ever before. Beyond visuals, the TV integrates advanced AI-driven processing that adapts picture quality in real time, while smart features enable seamless interaction, content discovery, and personalization. Its refined gallery-style design allows the screen to blend into modern interiors despite its size. 4. Europe's Lunar Rover. The Mona Luna Lunar Rover is Europe's next-generation exploration robot designed to expand human presence on the Moon. Built by Venturi Space with ESA and Kinesis support, it aims for the Moon's South Pole by 2030. Weighing around 750 kg, the fully electric rover features solar recharging, autonomous navigation, and a robotic arm for handling instruments and payloads. Its hyper-deformable wheels and robust suspension tackle slopes up to 33 degrees and navigate loose soil or obstacles with ease. Mona Luna is built not just for research, but to transport payloads and assist astronauts during crewed missions, paving the way for sustainable lunar exploration. 3. Full-sized bipedal security robots. The NAV.IAII-3 is a full-sized bipedal robot designed for real-world security, patrol, and inspection tasks. Standing 1.8 meters tall and weighing around 80 kg, it features advanced lower limb mechanics allowing it to walk and run up to 9 km/h while maintaining balance on uneven surfaces like gravel and slopes. Its robust design makes it suitable for long-distance patrols, infrastructure inspections, and protective services, reducing risk and fatigue for human personnel. 2. Smart robots on ceiling tracks. The Penguins Innovate White Rabbit is a next-generation smart home robot designed to transform living spaces. This 3-in-1 AI companion glides along a patented AirPath ceiling track, delivering lighting, immersive sound, and 360-degree panoramic video wherever needed. Beyond convenience, White Rabbit functions as a personal assistant, responding to voice, gesture, or app commands to manage music, lighting scenes, VR experiences, or home security. Its AI learns your habits over time, making interactions intuitive and personalized. 1. Gene.01 Robot with Artificial Skin. Gene.01 represents a bold step forward in humanoid robotics. Developed by Italian startup Generative Bionics, this humanoid robot combines intelligence, movement, and perception into a single, adaptive system. A standout feature: full-body tactile sensing skin that allows it to feel touch and pressure, enabling safer and more natural interaction with people and objects. This sensory capability helps the robot respond dynamically instead of relying only on pre-programmed actions. High-performance computing powers real-time processing of visual, tactile, and motion data, allowing Gene.01 to function in complex environments. Designed to operate alongside humans, the robot opens possibilities in manufacturing, healthcare, and shared workspaces. Gene.01 highlights a future where humanoid robots act as responsive physical partners rather than simple automated tools. 18 inventions. 18 breakthroughs that sound impossible but are already changing the world. From robots that feel to devices controlled by thought, from expandable space stations to flying cars nearing production, the future isn't coming. It's here. And it's moving faster than anyone predicted. Which invention shocked you most? Drop a comment and subscribe for more coverage of technology reshaping our world.